everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I have both of my Ipsy glam bags here. One came one day, one came the next, but they switched the carrier to a company that I've never heard of, and it's called Veho, V-E-H-O. Like, these arrived on the 10th, I think, and it took like 4 or 5 days for them to deliver. USPS was never that horrible. I mean, they might be cheaper, so that could be the problem. So let's just try one bag and see what I think. Put you over here. This is a little sneak peek of the bag. Cute. Cute little floral. Navy blue. I like the little pulls. Nice. And let's see what's inside. Put the bag in. Oops. Of course, stuff is going to start rolling on the floor. Born to Bloom is the theme for May. They did have, they might still, I have no idea, some mystery bags and things like that on the website. If you aren't interested, you get a little card with your products listed on it. So let's just start. We'll start with this one. Right here, tiny. This is Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. Deluxe sample. I mean, these are going to be small. Is it sealed? That's the problem. Okay, let's see. Right here. That has a scent, but like a fresh scent, so not anything crazy. Let's just get the lid back on that. If I can. No. A little bit on my hand there that was on the side. Let me see if it still has a scent. When you put it on, sometimes that goes away. Yeah, just a fresh scent. I don't have that lid on. Okay, still might not be perfect, but it's on. So that's a sample. The next thing I see should be here, which is really nice. This is from Elf Skin. This is Sun Touchable Woe Glow. Is that what it's called? Woe Glow SPF 30 Mini. This is great to then put in your bag, just to take with you. You know, touch up, things like that. So I'm not disappointed in that. That's pretty nice. Next we have here Wander Beauty Mini Lip Retreat Oil in Oasis Glow. Let's see what this right here. Oh, lip oil. There was a seal on it. I'm not gonna. We're just gonna leave that. I have so many lip oils. Nice lip oil right now, especially if you're out in the sun, is a good thing. You know, to keep your lips treated. Right here, this is Olivia Uma Glass Skin Multivitamin Serum. Strawberry and tangerine. This probably has a seal on it. Yeah. Let's pull this. I want to see if you can smell it. No, I can't get the seal off. Interesting. So that's not bad. And then this is what I chose, and this is from Half Caked Eye and Cheek Palette in Duality 1, I would assume, and this is full size, $20. If I could open it. It's in a little bubble bag, which is nice. Let's get rid of that. I don't like, they drive me crazy. So this is the box. Let's see what you look like. So this is Eye and Cheek. They have a nice plastic case. Gotta be careful my nails get ruined because I'm going to be doing them. So this is right here. You could do all eye if you wanted. Cheek. Let me just see what that looks like. Right there. Nice little shade. A blush. Just put a little bit of that on my hand right there. That's not bad. That's a nice light, and it does blend. That's pretty. And some of the eyeshadows are really nice. I'm excited for that. That's another great pack with you travel little palette. Not bad. And that's $20. I don't know if I would pay $20 for that, personally. Everything else is sample. Not bad. Not bad. Let me see. Just trying to get some of this stuff off my table here. Let's put all this over here. And see what the second bag has to offer. So, bag number 2. Okay. Oh, some of my little strings got caught in the glue. So, let's see. We'll take this stuff out and see some duplicates, some not duplicates. You know, same bag, obviously. Card. Yes. List of products. First one, I have no idea what I chose in this one. I might have picked this. Right here. This is from Manicadar Hydration Happy Face Mist. This is a trial size, but that's really nice. Oh, everything is so sealed up. Yeah. I like Manicadar, so that's exciting. I have a product here from Elemis. And this is Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. Don't think I have this one. I know I don't. Smells nice. You know, cleansing balm. I just use a scoop, get in there, and, you know, clean away there. So I'm excited for that. So we have a duplicate on this. Olivia Uma, the glass skin multivitamin serum. So I have 2. What are you? Who are you from? Oh, Elizabeth Mott. I love that brand. Favorite bronzer of mine. Sure Thing Vitamin C Eye Cream. So tiny, but eye cream, you need a tiny little drop. So we'll give that a shot. Or maybe did I choose this? I have no idea what I chose. I might have picked this. The K. Voss New York City Lip Luxe lipstick in Gramercy. $27. We got to see what this looks like. Where is the little... I can see the little perforations, but let's see. Got to get it started. Okay. I like that things are wrapped sometimes. Oops, on a stick. So let's see what you look like. Oh, nice shade. We'll have to do a little swatch. Oh, pretty. Nice. Right there. I think I did choose this, as a matter of fact. Or the Manicadar. I'm not sure which one I chose. But today, I forgot to share, I am wearing my Tom Ford. And this is... N2 Dolce. I love this. And this is what this is right here. On my lips. Love this. At some point, I will look at getting more of them. I really do like their lip products. But see, now something like that you get in a box is perfectly fine. So, you know, I have so many, but I still would like to get a few other shades. Not a bad one either. The Elemis Manicadar Mist. I love these. These are great in the summer. Even like to take to the beach with you. You're out. And you're starting to get a little warm. Just spray your face. It's a mist. It's a hydration mist. So this is a good thing. And, you know, with sunscreen and stuff like that. I'm excited for Elemis, the lipstick, and the Manicadar. I'm also excited to try this because I love Elizabeth Mott. I think they have some great products. Very affordable. So no disappointment there whatsoever with this stuff. Not bad bags for the month of May, I think. Or Rogue Hair somewhere, which I think I just found it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have a favorite bag? I don't think I have a favorite. I think they're pretty equal product-wise. I like the palette and the sunscreen and, you know, the eye cream in that one. I like the balm, the eye cream, the, you know, lips. Like, they're pretty even. I don't know, maybe you have a favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. I greatly appreciate that. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.